Welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. So how does due diligence vary between angel investors and venture capitalists? At a high level, the diligence is the same between angels and VCs. They both look for a good team, a strong market, and a quality product. At a detail level, the angels who come in earlier than many VCs will look at a deal differently. On the first pass, angels look for product validation and market validation. Does the product work and will somebody pay for it? On the second pass, angels look for a strong team that can take it all the way and a large market that the company can pursue. VCs on the first pass look for a strong team, initial traction, and a large market. VCs on the second pass look for synergies in the team, KPIs that show growth, and scalability into the market. It's important to understand who you're pitching and what they look for. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us something today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.